Sign up at the end of this review to get my personal gear list. Hi there, Tony Policastro here from Music Villa. Here today to look at a custom shop wonder from the Martin Guitar Company. Before we get onto this guitar, I want to make sure you click the link below, sign up for the acoustic letter. You'll get videos, photos, price lists, the whole deal of all these really cool custom shop and one-of-a-kind guitars we get in from Martin, Taylor, and Gibson. On to this incredibly wonderful custom OM28 from the Martin shop. This guitar came to us fairly recently, and it's one that you pretty much can't ignore. You can see it from across the shop. You can be standing at the front door and looking clear to the back of the shop, and it will stick out like a sore thumb. It is a custom OM28, OM body size, with a wonderfully amber shaded top, and style 45 inlays and purfling throughout. This thing is really dressed up. It's ready to go to the ball. Like I said, it has an amber shaded top, bear claw Sitka spruce, ebony bridge with ivory bridge pins, ivory saddle, inlaid pickguard, inlaid rosette, abalone of course, abalone purfling throughout in the 45 style, borders the end of the neck. We have a really cool split diamond / stylized tree of life inlay all throughout the ebony fingerboard. We have a Madagascar rosewood head plate with a pearl bordered abalone torch. We have gold Waverly tuners with black pearl buttons. These things are not only incredibly smooth, but also quite pretty. We have a V-shaped neck made out of mahogany. Madagascar rosewood back and sides. Really wonderful piece with some really cool pink and brown streaking. This guitar is trimmed throughout with koa binding. It's set off again by the abalone purfling on the top, and some real subtle black and white lines. This guitar is a heck of a performer as much as it is a looker. This is certainly one you'd be proud to hang up on your wall. It's certainly one you'd be proud to play. Come on into the store and check it out. And for those of you who can't make it into the store, we're going to do some playing online here and give it a listen. Thanks for listening to the custom OM28 by Martin. Don't forget to click the link below, sign up for the acoustic letter, and please leave your comments and questions below. Thanks for listening.